Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Anniekrieger. Join me as I share with you this amazing, simple, natural flavor of honey walnut ice cream. If you have made yourself homemade ice cream before or you've tasted one elsewhere, then you can tell with me when I say nothing beats homemade ice cream. This is a very simple recipe even without any ice cream maker. Now, the few items we're going to use for this recipe will be listed out in the description box. What I'm doing here is optional. You can choose to skip it, or better still, toast your walnut. You can go for any walnut of your choice. I bet you toasting your walnut is going to give you that super natural and amazing flavor of your honey walnut ice cream. Now, the outcome of your toasted walnut is always amazing. It looks super crunchy and flavorful. That we will set aside for now to cool down. I don't know about others, but each time I create a recipe, put ingredients together, I will make sure that others, people have testified, family, friends, even customers have testified to those recipe. The outcome is always wow. And then I'll come up here to share with you lovelies. I hope you're ready to try this recipe out, and I will be so glad to get your feedback because guys, this one here tasted fantastic. Just believe you me, you will love every bite of this ice cream recipe. For our homemade honey walnut paste, what we did is get 100 ml of evaporated milk, 100 ml of honey, and then one handful of our toasted walnut. Now we'll bring that to a blender and generously puree that to get a fine and smooth texture of honey paste. Again, we'll go ahead and chop one handful of our roasted walnut, set that aside for now. Let me use this time to say a very big thank you for still watching. I truly appreciate you. If you haven't hit the like button, just take this minute and hit the like button for me. That will go a long way for this video. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and check out my channel for more recipes. If you want to see more of all this, just hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and also the notification bell just to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much. In a bowl, you will introduce 200 ml of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. You will go in with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or lime juice. Because I have none at home, I had to skip that part. So get your hand mixer or standing mixer and generously whip your cream to achieve this super creamy texture you see on the screen. If you achieve what you see on the screen, just be careful not to over whip your cream. You will introduce your honey walnut paste. Now, stirring this, you want to make sure you are satisfied with the taste. You can adjust to your preference. You can choose to go in with more honey, or you can as well drizzle some later. So generously use your spatula and incorporate that to have a fine uniform just like this. Now get your bread loaf pan or any ice cream pan that is suitable to bring into a freezer. Now, after pouring this in a suitable container, you want to go in with some chopped walnut. I would say you should mind the amount of the chopped walnut you want to add here, because remember we roasted it and the flavor is very intensive. Okay, so I will fold this in. If you are going for walnut ice cream, you should expect to have those chunks inside, but if you just don't want to have it, if you are just satisfied with the taste already, skip it. Again, I would drizzle some amount of it on top of my ice cream just like this, and then cover it up with a plastic foil. Make sure the plastic foil is in contact with the ice cream. Okay, this is going to prevent any crystal highs in your ice cream. Bring it into a freezer and let it sit for at least 7 hours. Now, 7 hours later or overnight, if your ice cream is very hard, what you will do is just bring it some hours earlier, leave it on the upper side of your fridge and the upper side of your fridge. Let it sit there until you are ready to enjoy it. And guys, what I did is just bring my out in the morning, leave it on the upper fridge, and it is ready to scoop. Very soft, very creamy, very delicious. Guys, this is one of the best walnut ice cream I've ever tasted. Thank you so much for watching this far. Once again, please don't forget to hit the like button. Now, my hobby here is reading your feedback. Let me know in the comment section. Are you ready to try this recipe out? I would love to read from you. Now, why are you still buying ice cream out there? Go make yours. It's super easy. See how creamy it turned out even without any ice cream maker. Every bite of this ice cream feels like a huge hug in a perfect summer day. Thank you for watching till the end and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.